Hello, good morning, everybody. Voice at my screen. Hello. Yes, I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen clearly. So this is the first day of the month. This is 1st of October. So I'd like us to start off with the chart on our screen. We're going to start off with the Euro USD. On this chart so far, the price has been bearish. We've seen price continue to move to the lower side. We had a very good support there. Have another support here. So we had a support, There is a break below. The price continued downwards. It pulled back to the upper side. As we're talking right now, the price is headed towards this resistance zone. So technically speaking, we do expect that the buyers will continue to push us to the upper side, at least up to the zone where the price is headed, this zone here. If the price can come back and touch that zone, if it doesn't break and close above it, then that should give us the best place to look for a sell from. So we're just waiting to see what happens. If the price goes to that zone but does not break and close above it, then that will give us the best place to look for a sell from. So we will be selling it. Our stop loss is fixed at the high of this candle. Then our first take profit is fixed at this candle. This is a 1.0487. So we have a sell here. Our take profit is this one. If this zone is broken, our next place to buy from actually around this level if the price should break and close above it. So if the price ascends and closes above this line, expect it to continue upwards. If the price closes below this line, then expect it to continue to the lower side. That's my opinion. The next chart is GBP USD. With GBP USD so far, we are looking for sell positions. We have a very good support here. We had a support, there is a break below. If the price moves up and touches 1.2306, which is this line here, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. We have 1.2306. If the price can move back up and touch it, then that will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So we will be expecting the sellers to come in around this area, at least up to this point. This is 1.1805. So a sell, this one, the stop loss equivalent to the take profit. So if you want to play the stop loss, just calculate the distance between this point and this point, then have your stop loss the same distance we have as that of the take profit. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. With the US dollar Japanese yen, so far the price is heading to the upper side. We are seeing that the price continues to move to the upper side. So we do have a very good resistance zone, this one. You can see that the price actually is attempting to close above it, 1.49.71. This is a very key level. As long as the price does not break and close above it, this may as well be a good place to look for a sell from. If the price should ascend and close above it, 149.71, the price should close above this line, then that would mean that the price is going to continue much higher. So expect that if we go above it, we want to wait for retracement back towards the same level to pick a buy position. If the price does not break above it, then this can as well be a good place to look for a sell from, at least up to this level, which is 148.49. So that is my opinion on those three instruments. The next chart I want us to look at is the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is gaining momentum to the upper side. We are actually looking at this resistance level. We have a resistance, break above, we have a support, there is a break below. If the price can move up to around 28414.24, which is this level, then that will give us an ideal place to look for buy a sell from. So we're just waiting to see what happens if the price moves up to this point but does not break and close above it. That will give us the best place to look for a sell from. If that zone is broken, our next target is this one. If that is broken, our next target is this one here. So expect a breakout. If that happens, the next place to sell from is this one. This is broken. The next place to sell from, this one here. So either you sell it here up to this point. If this is broken, our next target is this level. If this is broken, then our next target is this one here. That's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is this is, look at other one, gold. This one. With gold so far, it looks like the price is adamantly heading to the lower side. This is perfectly in line with what we forecasted some few days ago. You remember we said that as long as the price was held below this zone, we were going to be focusing on sell positions, expecting that the sellers will push us much lower. That's exactly what's happening. The price has been bearish. So this is the target, 1806.34. We do expect that the sellers will continue to push price downwards up to this level. If this is broken, the next target is this one. If that level is broken, our next target is this one. So expect a move up to this point. If this is broken, the next target is this. If this is broken, the next target is this one here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.